So these are the top features of the newly announced Fossibot S3 Pro, a budget device with a curved AMOLED display that is expected to launch officially next year. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it.
This budget-friendly smartphone aims to pack a punch with some pretty cool features. Let's break it down. First up, the design and display. The S3 Pro is sleek and compact, measuring 162.5 mm by 74.3 mm and weighing around 199 grams. It feels great for one-handed use. The main display is a 6.67-inch AMOLED with a stunning 1080x2400 resolution, plus it's got a 93.6% screen-to-body ratio, which makes for an immersive viewing experience. And check this out, a 1.09-inch rear display that's perfect for quick notifications. Pretty unique, right? Under the hood, the S3 Pro runs on a MediaTek Helio G85 octa-core processor with 6 GB of RAM, expandable to 14 GB. It's got 128 GB of internal storage, which you can bump up to 1 TB with a microSD card. That's plenty of space for all your apps and media. For the shutterbugs, the camera setup is solid. It features a 64MP main sensor, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor at the back. Up front, there's an 8MP camera for selfies and video calls. It's versatile enough for various shooting conditions. Battery life is impressive too. The 5000 mAh battery should easily get you through a day, and with 18W fast charging, you won't be stuck waiting around too long to power up. As for connectivity, the S3 Pro covers all the bases: Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, and GPS. Security-wise, you've got in-display fingerprint scanning and face unlock. It's also dual SIM and supports global bands, making it a great travel companion. Overall, the Fossibot S3 Pro offers excellent value for money with its feature-rich design and solid performance. At $270, it's definitely a contender in the budget smartphone market.